How you doing, guys? This is Josh from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel, and if this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and also click the bell notification so you know when we put new videos out there. So guys, before we jump in about talking about cleaning solutions that we got here, I want to make a short announcement. So we're going to be doing a giveaway very soon. So stay tuned to our website kingdomdtf.com, because over there, once they open, you're going to be able to get your ticket to be participate in this giveaway. So we're going to be giving away DTF inks, DTF films, powder, all the supplies. I think we got a printer. And also we're going to give away in this one for the first time a laptops, because I know a lot of people, I mean, they need computer. You need computer to run the RIP software, and you need a good computer because some computers are, you know, a little bit updated, and you need to bump that. So this is your chance to win for that. So stay tuned to our website. Now, coming back to what is this video about, today we're going to be talking about cleaning solutions, you know, the big cleaning solution and all the dilemma that's going around when people trying to use another one that is not a cleaning solution and they use only Windex. Well, so yeah, so I'm going to explain the difference about cleaning solutions that we sell on our website, and why you should use or not use Windex. All right, so let's jump to that. So the first one that is coming to play is this one right here, guys. This one is a cleaning solution. It's a regular cleaning solution, and the color, I mean, the color right now, the one that we sell is like a light blue, but to be honest, some other manufacturers do it without color so it can be clear. So we like to have always colors, so that way we can identify easy our cleaning solution. So this one is just a regular cleaning solution that you're going to use on your print heads when you need it. For example, after you finish printing, or if you're doing the nozzle check when you're starting and you see that you're missing nozzles and the regular cleaning is not helping, you can use the cleaning solution. Also, this cleaning solution you can put on your copy station if you like, but not to leave too long over there. I mean, you can use, for example, to put it today, and if tomorrow you're going to print, because that's going to go away, but it's not to be more than 1 day in the copy station, okay? Because this one is still a strong cleaning solution. So it's made for that, is for destroying the inks when you got clogged, you know, destroying that dry ink. Now, this one got, you can say, a big brother that is a stronger cleaning solution. Let me show you. All right, so this one is also a cleaning solution for print heads and to destroy any clog that you got, especially if you got very bad clogs. This one is going to help you. This one is a stronger cleaning solution that we sell, and you can say it's a pale orange in color, and it's going to be more stronger. So this cleaning solution in particular has something special, because this one you can heat. So you can put a little bit of this cleaning solution, put on the microwave and heat this cleaning solution, and it's going to be even more active when it's come to destroy that clog that you got. So that's why it's called clog breaker, and we sell it on our website. Also, if you don't want to heat this on your microwave, because you know you may prepare food over there, unless you got a microwave, you know, apart from different things, you can put a little bit of this cleaning solution, you know, half of the cleaning solution, and then heat distilled water that is really hot, and put that mix over there. So when you do the mix, that one is the one that you're going to use to clean your print heads. Okay, this one is not recommended that you use as a wet capistation because it's really strong. So this one is for destroying really bad clogs. Okay, so let's see the other ones, what you can use for maybe capistation or for other lines. Okay, here I got a flushing solution. Flushing solution is different from cleaning solutions. So flushing solutions are less aggressive, and it's for that. It's for flush all inks that you got on your system. If when you changing brands, or maybe you purchase your printer as a use from someone, you don't want to use the same inks that person got on the system, and you need to get all of that out, so you use the flushing. This one have a lubrication. The way it's made, got a lubrication, so also it's going to help to, when you flush, to lubricate your lines and also your print heads. So for example, if you go on vacation for 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, you can use this one to flush all completely your system, and at the end you're going to leave a little bit of this inside your print heads, so it can be lubricate your print head and stay wet, because you don't want a print head to be dry, never. Okay, so this one is going to help you, and as you can see, it got a pale green color or green color. Okay, and from their flushing we jump to our capistation. So capistation is pink color or light pink, you can say it, the way I see it right now. This solution is only for the capistation when it's time to wet your capistation. So this one you can use in a regular basis. Every time after printing you want to wet your capistation, right? So you do your maintenance, you wet your capistation, and you go to leave your head on top of that. So this one is going to help you to lubricate also the head underneath, and it's going to help the head to keep wet and don't get dry. So this one, compared to the cleaning solutions, is always less aggressive, but this one you can keep on your capistation a little bit longer. So for example, let's say that you put it on Monday and you're not going to print at least until Thursday, so this one can stay there until Thursday, compared to the regular cleaning solution that you can use too, but it cannot stay more than 1 day. Okay, also guys, we sell, apart from those cleaning solutions, we sell kits, cleaning kits like this one. So this one come with the cleaning solution. It's going to come with the syringes, it's going to come with the cotton swab, and also the tubing that you need for your print head to put right there in the nozzle, and stay tight, don't get loose, so you can do a flushing if you need it. So this kit is available also on our website. For the moment we got this kit only with the regular solution, but if you need to get it with maybe the stronger solution, you can add that to this kit, and that way you're going to have both of the cleaning solution and the supplies to clean. Right, so I hope guys this video show you and you learn from this video a little bit more about cleaning solution, that not all the cleaning solutions are made for the same things, and not all the cleaning solutions are made the same way. So you're going to have your regular cleaning solutions that are more stronger, solutions that are colored like this one, solutions that don't have any colors, different capistation solution, and all of that. So I recommend you, if you want to try ours, you can do it, or if you got another brand, you can you test it and you keep it what is working for you. But it's really important that you have this cleaning solution by your side when it's time to do maintenance. Okay, and making a big parenthesis here before I close this video again is the balance, the place that is in place about if people use the Windex or not to clean their printers. And to be honest, I don't have an answer for that. So if you want to clean your printer with Windex, it's on your own risk. And if you damage something like that, or you damage your print head, that's going to be on you. But I will never suggest you to use Windex, because to be honest, I have not seen anyone in the big industry or professional technicians using Windex to clean or repair a print head. So because they don't use it, I don't recommend for you to use that. And a lot of people know that Windex can easily damage a print head in time, because it's got to be dislaminating the print head inside. You don't see it. Maybe you put it today and you put it tomorrow and you don't see what's happening inside. But when it comes to corrosive and all of that, believe me, it's got to damage your print head. And if you have a expensive printer, like, let's talk about maybe the 7890, that is a 24 inches, that print head costs easily $600 to $1,000. You don't want to use Windex for that. I hope you getting what I'm saying right here, okay? So keep good products to clean your print heads that is proven over and over that are made for that. And don't try to cut it because you cannot afford these things. I mean, to be honest, if you cannot afford, I'm going to say this honestly, if you cannot afford to keep your printer clean, running, do maintenance, and you cannot afford a cleaning solution, maybe printing is not for you. Okay, so you need to have that in mind when it comes to any method of printing. It doesn't matter if it's DTF, if it's DTG or whatever. When it's time to do maintenance, you know that you're going to spend some cash getting those cleaning supplies to keep your printer at the maximum and be clean for your print when it's time to print. Because it's like a car, guys. If you put regular gas, it's cheaper, right? And your car is going to drive, but in time it's going to be problem and the engine on all of that. But versus if you put premium, you're going to have a better car, more power, more clean gas that's going to go through everything. Okay, I hope it's making sense. Okay, so it's about getting the right product for you guys, and we got it on our website. Okay, so once again, all the cleaning solution guys are available at kingdomdtf.com if you want to go over there and check it out. And be attentive to the giveaway, guys, the announcement that we're going to do on our website, so you can get your ticket and participate in this giveaway. Again, we're going to be giving away cleaning solutions, also all the supplies, a laptop, printer, on all of that. All right, so stay tuned, guys. As always, my name is Joss. Thank you so much, guys, for being part of this big family of DTF community here on YouTube, on Facebook, that we got our group, have grown tremendously in these past weeks. We got now 30,000 people over there, and each one helping each other. So that's important about a community, that we got our shoulder backs when we got problems or something like that. There's always a person there that is going to help you and try to give you an answer to try to help you. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Joss. As always, keep printing. All right, see ya.